Alright guys, we got the Litecoin daily chart. I think we have an interesting bullish opportunity here. It's not the ideal situation, but price did broke above an important level, which was the 53.95. That alone is quite an important indication that we might have an upside move. Now, price did land at the lower section, but when I said it's not the ideal situation, that's because it did not take the previous low. So I would definitely prefer if price would have been taking the previous low. I would be much more confident on the way up. Since it did not do that, that's a bit more risky in terms of the setup itself, but still. We broke above 53.95. That was 2 days ago. And yesterday we're still above that level, and today so it looks like prices had based itself above. And as long as it stays above that level, there's a good chance we're going to see the next move upwards. Back again to that 64.61. Now remember, we already took profit on that level on the way up, right, on the previous upside move. Although I was expecting higher, I was aiming for two price targets, the 64.61, but also the 68.40. But when we saw the reaction we had here with that spike, we said, thank you very much, we got out, and that was a wise decision, no doubt. So I think we can replicate that move again, right? I just established a position again on the Litecoin after being sitting on the sideline waiting to strike, but I was hoping to catch price, around these areas right here below the previous low. So this is why, since I just mentioned before, it's a bit riskier than the ideal situation. I actually established 50% of the position I planned to establish before. So I started relatively small. But if price can show resilience on the upside, meaning, just building up some positive momentum here from this day on, then I will definitely be interested in increasing the position, aiming again at 64.61, but also keeping an eye on the 68.40, right? So we're taking the Litecoin from a short-term perspective here. I'm going to try to aim at the short-term price targets. And there you go. This is about that for today, guys. Have a great trading day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.